This man-made epidemic, as it is described by many within this community, this idea of someone dying about every 19 minutes from an accidental drug overdose. That's really going to be the topic of discussion, and more to the point, what can be done about it. So we're hearing that there's going to be a $1 billion additional dollars now earmarked for this particular issue, doing things like expanding community centers, increasing the number of doctors who can treat these patients with addiction, and also a lot of funding for a medication you may have heard of, Carol, known as Narcan. It's essentially a medication that can reverse a drug overdose. We've seen this in action. You can literally, someone who's overdosed and is not breathing anymore, it can revive them. They want to make this sort of drug more available for people to try and cut down on these deaths. That's a lot of what we're going to be talking about today, along with people who have gone through a lot of these issues.